Today I'm going to show you how to make this lo hon ko drink. It's a kind of a Chinese herbal drink. It's very delicious and healthy to reduce the heat during the hot weather, reduce your dehydration. Okay, so you can buy this around 350 ringgit Malaysia here. So I'm not sure if other place how much it will cost. It's somewhere like just barely 80 US dollar, 80 cent US dollar. Okay, so all you need to do is just press it to break it into half like that. Just crush it a bit, just like that. Okay, of course you wash it first so it's basically clean. Okay, so I will use this filter water. It's alkaline water, so you can add. So basically how much water you need to add, I would say is 6 glasses of water lah. So it will be like kind of 2 liters of water like that. So for this pot, right, I will put it like almost 80% full. Okay, basically you don't need to add anything. We just add the rock sugar, the honey rock sugar and lo hon ko ni. So it will taste sweeter. Something like this, but we'll add more water shortly until this level here. Okay, so this is the honey rock sugar. It's pretty cheap. It's just 3 ringgit, I think 3 or 4 ringgit. So it's barely 1 US dollar, the whole entire pack. So all you need is just to put about 2 of this rock sugar. It's a honey rock sugar, something like this. It's not that big. Depends on the sweetness level that you want. So, or you can add, you see there's one smaller one, so something like that, just 2 of this. So it will taste just nice, taste just sweet enough, and actually one lo hon ko like this, it give a very strong flavor already. So we'll just put at a very this is a medium heat. It's not really hot, but it's like a medium heat. So just put it there, and sometimes you need to stir it a bit. Just put it, let it heat up for like 45 minutes like that. 45 minutes or 1 hour, but I think 45 minutes will do. So like that. So this one will eventually dissolve into the water, and then you can drink. This will be 6 cups of water. So we'll add slightly more water here. Okay, thank you guys for watching.